I might have to just lean like right back here. Hopefully you can hear it. I've basically strapped like right to the top of my chest so I can sort of look over the bike, but we'll see if it works. I want to show you the super highway. This looks like a pretty janky old place, to be fair. I'm curious to see what they've got.
It's a little Tommy gun.
Everyone's just having a little play while they're unloaded. There's not like a massive selection here, so we're sort of having a look to see if there's maybe somewhere else that has a bit more to play with. I mean, they've got like rifles and stuff. Rifles, shotguns, handguns, little Scorpion Evo. But we're going to see what the options are basically and see if there's anywhere else nearby.
Be pretty cool.
Oh, we got that.
Bad. All gets down to how accurate is the gun setup.
Yeah.
I just have to put mine in vices.
Right, I think I'm going to get a rifle and a shotgun and hopefully not blow my fucking shoulder off, because apparently it's got a bit of a kick to it. So PJ's just loading up his what is it you've got there? Oh, here's the thing. Yeah, so he's going on this thing here. Some noise coming off that for a handgun.
Back, and then we pruned probably half a dozen or more. Well, let's see what understood what's going on then.
How many have we got here? 25 shots. Does it take all 25?
Really, it's not the problem.
Sometime today would be nice.
Set up.
It will be today.
Show the street.
Get the last one in. Catch up. Definitely off.
Another rifle range here. Here's the other one.
It's very far away. A big bullet.
So this is my group in here. I was targeting down here because we suspected the sight's off, and yeah, it's definitely off. It's either off or my eyes are off. One of the two. We're getting told we need the ear defenders on now, so Victor's obviously picked a very loud gun. Although the training guide doesn't seem to be wearing any. What is it? It's a Glock, I'm sure he said he was firing. Let's see how his shot is.
Holy shit! Oh my god, you got almost in a bullseye! Keep it facing that way.
We can make video.
Fucking hell, got some shot on this boy. Oh, just jammed. Right, let's see if he can hit a long shot with this, with a Glock. Can't actually tell where he's hitting here. How do you think you did? Do you think you got him? He's not even paying attention. Completely ignored. Right, time to get the shotgun on the go. What sort of rounds are these? These are like the BB gun
Homemade.
pellet ones.
You know how to shoot, right?
Yeah, for me. This way, yeah?
Pretty much on that.
You're fucking pulling my shoulder off now. Smell of that. It takes more than one. Oh.
There we go.
You shoot a big steel, you aim lower. The big one, or you have to aim low. Yeah.
I can't even see where it's going.
You did anything?
Look at that.
Aim low, aim low.
Is that three?
Yeah, last one.
Yeah, I think there's one left. Oh no, thank you.
Damn, that's sick.
Yeah, this is fucking real manpower now.
The first one.
Mad.
That actually felt pretty cool, to be fair. I hope it looked cool because it felt cool. That was pretty cool. That was 2,200 baht, which is, I think it's around about £50. But I haven't shotgun for ages, and that shotgun was pretty cool, so I don't really mind paying that. It's not like I've done much since I've been here either, so yeah, I'll take that. That was good fun.